day, another fishing trip. This time we had to launch the boat because the captain took the boat out of the water because there was a nasty frontal system that came through a couple days ago, and, you know, threatening flood and Armageddon and all that kind of stuff. So we're kind of well up the Withlacoochee River going right through Yankeetown, but we're going to troll all the way out. And after last week's almost holy smokes catch, trolling is the way to go. Well, Lucy's taking a nap already. She's settled down. And John has a new accoutrement of sartorial splendor here. This is what you need to be a true fisherman in central swampy Florida. And if you have any nefarious designs on your local bank, well, you can set your pole down and just move right on to the next task. It's a lovely day in the neighborhood. Water temp 76. It's probably in the low 80s, but the humidity is very low. So it's very tolerable today. All right, we're passing it by here, but that sign back there says bump. You gotta watch out. There is a definite bump in the river there. They're repaving the river, and so there's a little bit of a bump. Ah! Well, now we know what happened to the minnow. My little buddy Gilligan parked it here after they got rescued off the island. And here it sits. Thanks, good buddy. Well, we're out at Mullet Island. We've renamed it from Redfish. It's now Mullet. What do you got?
Looks like it went right through a rock, only it's mud.
Oh. Wow, that's mud? It's like a shell.
Oh, it's a shell.
Yeah, it impaled a shell. That might be an effective way to hook things, huh? It's high tide and it's very breezy out here. So there's not much left of Mullet Island. And we got blown offshore, so we gotta go back and land. Dog cam. What is it? What do you see? As I said, very breezy. We're gonna fish with some lures for a while here. Give the mullet a shot here. That didn't quite work too well. Yeah. You got to redo though. That's the good thing. Whoop! Ah. Drop my fishing pole and reel in the water, which means I'm gonna have to thoroughly rinse this out, otherwise it'll get rusty and scaly. Here we go. That was decent. See if it gets anything. You never know when some mullet's gonna come swimming by. Nope, nothing. Well, for all of you seeking a pattern in life, here's one here, since we humans are pattern seekers and face recognitioners. The waves are coming from two different directions here on the submerged part of the island. I'm gonna walk out there and stand in this faux surf and cast out toward the canal there. Well, so far no bites. Maybe there's something weird going on underwater. Nope, nothing going on down there. Okay, we're doing some cast netting here in the shallows. Of course, I have to drive and photograph at the same time. No small feat, I must say. Here we go. It's got a new technique. Watch it. Just holler if you need me to stop and back up. Does he have anything? Nope. I got something. Oh wait, you got a little something?
Giant jelly globs.
Oh, good grief. There's a glove over on underneath my shoes if you want to grab some poison stuff with, you know.
I hope they don't
We got dolphins frolicking dead ahead right here. Where'd they go?
They go under.
Yeah, they figured us out. Where'd they go? They're gonna show up behind us. There we've motored into safer and calmer waters behind Chambers Island, which at one point was a massive industrialist complex. And we're here at the foot of Bennett Creek. We have a nice view of Springfield's nuclear power plant, which has actually been shut off. I joke about it frequently. So we're gonna fish these calm waters. You get catfish out here. See what happens. All right, we got two things. John's been trolling and has a dead weight of something. And here comes a fishing boat.
Maybe you could turn here and go back toward it.
All right. I'll flip around here.
Dive out of the water.
We're 9 feet. 10 feet.
Lucy, there's far.
Still on?
There. Well, it's dead weight. It's not a fish, but it'd be interesting to see what the hell it is. Don't go any further left.
Right. I mean, correct. What could it be, Lucy? What did he catch? Yeah, right. You know if I'm crossing the line.
There it is. You can see it.
Oh, yeah. I think I see it too.
It's a palm frond.
You were right.
Get landing there.
A palm frond. There it is.
They're good to eat.
Congratulations.
All right. It's not a palm frond. It's some kind of root of grass or something.
Wow, the most excitement we've had all day. Well, you know what this means when we're slowly motoring up Magnolia Creek here. It's the end of the day. I had one pseudo bite, that was it. That's not too bad. We're putting up the canopy because once we get to the dock, if the no-see-ums are horrible, you don't want to be putting that up. It was a very pretty day, the water was warm, we didn't catch a thing. That bite I got, who knows. But we did not find the river monster yet. Oh well. It was a good day. Oh, and I cleaned the roof. Yes. Good night.